Hi my friends, today I want to show you how to make the money rocket. Let's go! Fold in half, unfold. Fold the bottom and upper edges to the center line. Fold the left upper corner to the center line. Fold the bill down until the center line. Turn over and make a crease through the point. Unfold the bill and fold the edge down. Fold both edges to the center line. Flatten the corners. Fold the bill up along this edge. Turn over and make a crease from the corner to this crease. Repeat the previous step with the opposite side. Fold this part down. Fold it up. Fold both upper corners to the center line. Fold both bottom corners as I'm showing. The money rocket is completed. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye!